In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. If you're preparing a clean report, a dashboard, or a sheet you want to present without the usual checkerboard look, hiding grid lines is a quick way to make everything feel more polished and focused. Start by going to Google in your web browser. You can head to the Google homepage if that's your usual starting point. In the top right, look for the small grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. It looks like a 3x3 set of dots. Click that to open the panel of Google Apps. From that panel, click on Sheets. This takes you straight into Google Sheets, where you'll see your recent files and templates. If you already know which spreadsheet you want to adjust, open it now. You can pick it from your recent list or search for it. Make sure you have edit access, since hiding grid lines affects how the sheet appears to you and collaborators who open it later. Once your spreadsheet is open, look to the very top of the screen for the menu bar. Click on View. This is where Google Sheets keeps all of the on-screen display options. In the View menu, hover your mouse over the Show section. Don't click yet, just hover. A side menu will appear with a list of visual elements you can toggle on and off. This includes things like formulas, notes, and importantly for us, grid lines. Now click on Grid Lines to uncheck it. The moment you do that, the light gray lines separating each cell will disappear from view, leaving your content floating on a clean canvas. If you ever want them back, repeat the same path. View, hover on Show, and click Grid Lines again to recheck it. A quick note for clarity. Hiding grid lines is not the same as removing cell borders. If you've manually added borders to certain cells, those borders will remain visible. Grid lines are just the default guides you see for every cell. This change also affects how the sheet looks on your screen. Printing uses its own print formatting settings, so consider reviewing those separately if you're preparing a hard copy. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the Google homepage, opened Sheets, loaded your document, and used the View menu to toggle off grid lines for a cleaner, presentation-ready look. Keep this trick handy anytime you want your sheet to feel more like a designed layout and less like a raw spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present your data with confidence.